Good morning, Wendy. This is Clay RAV4 with Tameron Honda. Just wanted to reach out to you, let you know I've got this 2017 Toyota RAV4 with 38,000 miles right here, the one you inquired about. Take a look at these wheels. They're in excellent shape. It's got a brand new set of Michelin tires on it. This vehicle is in immaculate condition. Lock this thing so you can take a look at the inside. So your back seat, you've got tons of room back there. It's that triple woven microfiber cloth, so it's really easy to keep clean. You're gonna have your touch screen as well as your drive mode selector. And a good thing about the Toyota, they come with a few standard safety features like your lane, your collision warning, forward collision warning, and lane keep assist. One thing a lot of people love about a RAV4 is a small SUV that gets great gas mileage with tons of storage in the back. You can see this vehicle has a lot of storage in the back here. You're able to put pretty much just about anything, and these seats right here fold flat to give you a flat surface to haul a little bit more. Wendy, what I need you to do is give me a call, 256-600-6525. Shoot me a text or just reply to this email. Let's set up a time for your VIP demonstration and test drive. My name's Clay RAV4 out here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. And Wendy, when you come to Tameron Honda in Hoover, I can guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated.